Samsung is gearing to introduce its next flagship, the S24 series, in the month of January. The most awaited model is the S24 Ultra. There is a number of changes that is coming with the device, and a recent leak by renowned tipster Ice Universe has that the device will come with a long strip-like design for the bottom speaker. One of the main updates will be the screen. It's going to have a flat screen. Apart from that, it'll have a new impressive 200 megapixel for a primary rear camera with maybe larger pixel size than the current one. Samsung might be dialing back its optical zoom capabilities. Rumors are that they'll come with a higher resolution 5x optical camera. Apart from that, 10x camera. The decision is to copy Apple's approach with iPhone 15 Pro Max. The main reason for this is that Apple is saying that you cannot get stabilized videos at 10x. So maybe that's the reason Samsung is copying it. The new S24 Ultra may flaunt a long strip design. This intel comes from Ice Universe. Maybe it might not pan through, but this is just rumors at the moment. Leaks will start soon as it is going to come out in January. So maybe by November, December, you'll get the CAD leaks.